Hi guys, today's the 6th of March and I'm with my brother at Minden. We're going to game because my laptop has been having some issues, so yeah, my laptop has been having some issues, so we're taking it back to see if they can help. Yeah.
No, to see how they can help.
To see how they can help. Okay, so they couldn't really help me at that moment, so they had to take in the laptop for an assessment. It's probably gonna take longer than a week. So yeah, right now I'm going to Checkers. They said to go incredible connection. I wanna go buy a couple of stuff because I'm going hiking with a friend tomorrow. So let's go. That's all I'm gonna take because I think that's all we need, and we are probably gonna have breakfast after the hike, so we don't need that many snacks. Cyril's economy is so expensive because all those things that I just bought were over 200 rand. I mean, they're not cheap, but at least 150, but totally bad. 200 is too much, but anyways, I'm done now. Mercedes also done, so I'm gonna meet up with him and then we're gonna go home. The one with the dog. I was kidding. Well, I think so. You're lying. Yes, now I'm lying. You're lying. Okay, Yella. We are inside. It's now 8:25. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna start the hike. I'm already regretting this, eh? Like, I can't lie.
We must choose our path. We want the longest path.
I'll watch him home. I can't. Go.
Here we go.
Okay, we're going on the Keeper Soul thingy because it's the longest route.
And it's a steep terrain.
Steep terrain? Scary. Go.
I'm high now, huh? I'm not climbing stairs without stairs. That makes zero sense.
This is hiking, girl. Don't.
Give me the dollar.
Don't. Just put your mind to it.
Now I have to take big steps.
Yes, you have to take very big steps.
Walk like this.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Up. Let's go.
You feel it in your ribs?
What? You feel it in your ribs?
Because I'm gonna... Sorry for taking my time. I don't want to break my nose.
Nah, you're good. Are we there yet?
No.
Okay, we're going the same direction as the exit for once.
Shall
Finally, Chum Chum. Finally. Guys, we are tired.
As hell.
As hell. Chum Chum, this is a sign that we need to get more fit.
Like, you know, definitely. Oh my god. I'm getting back in the gym next week. Oh, we gotta lock in.
We gotta lock in.
You know what I'm saying?
Everybody lock in.
Everybody
lock in.
You need to think about it. Because it's stopping us from going there. The government
doesn't
want you to figure something out that's over there.
The government?
The government.
The government.
So I feel like we need to ignore this barrier and just carry on straight ahead. Let's not follow the sheep. We're dragons.
So let's not follow the clear path.
Yes. This one. I see animal poop. Maybe we'll see animals.
Sure. Let's do it. This has got to be a joke. Chum chum. I can't do this anymore. We thought we were almost at the exit. Can't the exit is another direction. Chum chum, please.
I'm not going that far.
Chum chum, please.
I'm not going that far.
You are.
I'm not.
Let's be honest. But chum chum, this is not a bridge.
This is true.
This is not a bridge. Guys, Lethea's mad at me because we saw that sign there. What?
You saw the sign?
Yeah? Oh, sorry. I thought you were saying something.
I saw a deer! I saw a deer!
Was it not a dog?
No, it was a deer. Now you want to turn back. No,
Chum Chum, what did you say? Chum Chum, that was really creepy. Chum Chum, I can't do this.
It was a deer. There it is.
Said you wanted to see animals.
It's two.
Chum Chum.
I don't know, it was that one jump first. And the second one was big. Oh, there's more than two, it's three.
Guys, that's
Imagine if we were walking there and it just bumped one of us.
okay, but we see a sign. Guys, as I was saying, Lethea's mad at me because she wanted to take the exit route. And I was like, no, we came here to do 4-point mangman. We're gonna finish 4-point mangman. So now she's mad. But at least she's doing it. Chum Chum, why is there a pathway for cars?
Where do you see a pathway for cars?
Does it not look like a car has passed through here?
Oh, yes. It means the truck is going to come collect our bodies.
Yeah.
We'll be sacrificed by the church.
Yeah. Scary. You see what?
Lion.
Lion tracks, bruv. Okay. You see? You see, Lethea?
Hi, don't tell me.
I was never scared.
You just grab man and flip a deer. A deer. And not a bird in a tree. The fuck?
How was I supposed to know it was a deer? And how often do you interact with deer, Chum Chum? It's not something that happens all the time, you know?
And now you don't even want to lead the way.
No, I told her she should lead the way because I believe in her. This had nothing to do with...
Girl,
Pow! Uh-huh. Hear me out, yeah. Let me tell Lethea, no one. Chum Chum.
I wanted to warn you, but you were too fast. I'm sorry. Sorry, ne? Sorry. This is amazing, man. You did that.
Amazing. Amazing.
This don't feel that much secure.
I promise her. Chum Chum, this water is so dirty.
And it smell bad.
But I mean, we made it to the end, guys.
I'm proud of us.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of
You
me.
know,
I'm
at this
proud of
other
us.
hike trail, they think
Guys, no, this has to be a joke. Okay, yeah, this time we're on the same page. This time we're on the same page. No, Chum Chum, I'm telling you right now, these people are lying to us. This is a 15K hiking trail. Let me check my steps.
look at those horns. Okay, Don't attack us. Bro. Bob, I'm scared. We did it. We did it.
Whoop, whoop, we did it, we did it, we did it, whoop, whoop, we did it. Guys, right at the beginning of the hike, I kind of made us go the wrong way.
Confess.
And if we had used the route that I wanted to use, we would have done that whole trail backwards.
In reverse.
In reverse.
Reverse.
Oh, okay. Okay. Beat it up, even. Yes, yes. Okay, good. Pro race car driver, this one. Proper race car driver. Yeah. Like what?
Like we're part of the hotel residents and we go home.
Me. Free breakfast. Woo. The shoes.
Where's your shirt now, winning?
Is your food showing in your video? Okay, it's just my food. Decorating the bell.
So a toddler just came by to the table and they just started drawing hearts.
They just started drawing hearts, man.
Who
Who did that?